Guys, I want to show you how I fixed my gas stove where it was clicking over, but it wouldn't light. So we were getting a spark and I could actually smell the gas, but it wasn't lighting. So one thing, obviously you take this little cap off, and some of these stoves you can actually take this under piece off, but this one is bolted down. So I could take it off, and that way you'll be able to clean it out a little bit better. But what I did is there's a hole right here, and I'm going to invert the camera underneath where the starter is, or the spark is created. So this is where the spark's created. You can see that little hole up to the top or the bottom of the screen at this angle. And what I'm going to do is I just have a paper clip, and I'm going to straighten that out and kind of push it through this hole, because what had happened, I think, is something had boiled over a little bit and something had gotten into this hole and kind of stopped it up. So I've got this paper clip. If the paper clip is too thick, you may need to use something like a needle and just kind of push through. And it's hard to see because this is kind of rusty on the top, but there's this, I'm going to move it with the paper clip. You can see there was something built up in there. So my thought is the gas wasn't able to make it through to the starter. Now, another thing I'm going to do is clean off this whole area. So I'm going to put the top back on, and we are going to try this out. And as you can see, we now have a nice strong flame that is coming out through. So just, you can use like even a toothpick, something thin that can kind of go through that hole. You're going to want to clean that area out. And now this is if you do have a spark. If you don't have a spark, that's a whole nother issue. And don't leave it clicking for a long time, because if you can smell gas, that's not good. So hope this helped, guys. And again, you could just need a toothpick or a paper clip and just something to wipe the area off. And this was a pretty simple fix. So I hope this video did help out, and check out the next one.